Today we are inaugurated two innovations in IMTEX 26, Valgro DEB36 and RBM24. We also launch our book, The Fire, which is very much helpful to industry's experts. We are very happy because they are join us and celebrate this inauguration ceremony.
I'm happy to inaugurate the booth and also happy to see innovative products of Valgro. The most important contribution from Dr. Arvind Patel is this edition, and this is the great contribution to the society, and the name of the book is The Fire Within.
We've been here for the inauguration of their two new machines that they have built. They are looking good, and surely we'll go and try them. We'll send our parts and components, try it out, and if it works, we'll definitely go for it.